All right, welcome back. Okay, so we're going to carry on from where we left off. Last time we were speaking about number systems, and we spoke about the number system which we use is where we just basically pile anything we want to count into groups of 10, and then groups of tens of tens, and then groups of tens of tens of tens, and we carry on doing that as we move on up, okay? And we used this little printout to show it. We would put the coins in there, and then the 10th one would overflow. We move it over to the next column, etc. I'm sure you remember that. So this is the same amount of coins from last week, or from the last lesson, I should say. And so let's just put this, make a circle there, and I'm just going to say this equals 22. Oopsie, that's a bit untidy. Sorry, I'm writing at a weird angle. This equals 22 in the base 10 counting system, okay? Right. So then I made this absurd joke that what if it wasn't humans who worked out how to count? What if it was the octopus? Imagine if an octopus learned how to count. They are pretty clever, so maybe it's possible. So if we had to meet an octopus, he would use this system. She maybe, don't be rude. Might have been a girl octopus. Okay. So there we go. The octopus would count like this, and this would make perfect sense to them. Okay, so let's just kind of make sense of this system. It works exactly the same, except they group it into smaller, they only group it into groups of 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember how the system works. Once it's full, we have to put the overflow in. The overflow is the 8th one, and then we move it over to here. Whoopsie. Okay. So now this is, I want you to take note of something. So you know these 8 coins in this pile, right? But the way this number, so let's write the number in the way we understand it. Humans know that there are this many coins over there. But an octopus will tell you, well, I've got one full group already. See, there's my one full group, but my units column's empty. So in fact, this number of coins is equal to this. And the octopus would argue with you. They say, no, because you're both doing exactly the same thing. You're just using different group sizes. Okay, so then 22 coins is what, according to the octopus? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8th is the overflow. Okay, move it over to the next column. All right, so now we know according to us, the humans, that there are this many coins, right? 16 coins over here. But according to the octopus, there are 20, or 20, okay? See, 2 with nothing there. Okay, so let's carry on going. And then we are going to get up till here. Can you see? That's number 6. So this amount of coins to us is 22, but to the octopus it is 26. So we're just going to write 26 in base 8. Right, and that is the same amount of coins, right? That's what I want you to understand. The actual amount of coins hasn't changed at all. The only thing that changes is how we choose to represent them, depending on how many groups we put them in. All right. And I know it's absurd to think that the octopus invented the counting system, because actually, it was the T-Rex, right? T-Rex invented the counting system. Everyone thinks he's stupid. Everyone thinks she was stupid, but no. T-Rex was the smart one. So next week we are going to be using, next lesson, we are going to be using the T-Rex's way of counting, okay, where the overflow is only 2 because they only have 2 fingers. Okay, cool. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.